the AI tool that generates 4 million videos every day, and most people have never heard of it. Not Sora, not Runway, not Kling, something that uses all of them at the same time. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to create content that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to produce. If this video saves you even 1 hour of editing time, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment below and subscribe, because what's coming next will completely change how you create content. Let's start with what Higgsfield actually is, because most people get this wrong. It's not an AI model. It has no model of its own. What it is a platform that sits on top of the most powerful AI video models in the world: Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, Wen 2.5, all inside one dashboard. You don't need 5 different subscriptions. You log in once and you have access to all of them. The founders came from Snap, where they built the technology behind Snapchat's face filters, used by hundreds of millions of people every single day. They took that same understanding of viral visual content and built this. Within weeks of launching its web platform in early 2025, it hit $10 million in recurring revenue. By mid-2026, it's sitting at a valuation of $1.3 billion and serving 15 million creators. So the question isn't whether this platform is serious, the question is, are you using it yet? Now, here's the first thing that separates Higgsfield from every other tool, and this is where most tutorials completely skip over the interesting part. Every other AI video tool works like a lottery. You type a prompt, you press generate, and you hope something good comes out. Higgsfield built something called Cinema Studio, and Cinema Studio flips that entire model upside down. Instead of guessing what camera movement the AI will choose, you tell it exactly what you want. Over 50 cinematic camera presets built on real cinematography physics, dolly zooms, crane shots, tracking movements, and you can stack up to 3 of them at once. The camera doesn't just move, it moves the way a real camera would, with proper physics and momentum. Cinema Studio 2.0 went even further. It introduced multi-shot sequencing, meaning you can now build entire scenes, not just single clips. It even has a feature called What's Next. The AI looks at your current shot and suggests what the next shot should be, like having a co-director in the room with you. If you want a full tutorial on Cinema Studio, comment Cinema below. Now, let's talk about something called Soul ID, and this is the feature that the industry has been trying to solve for years. The biggest problem with AI video has always been consistency. You generate a character in one clip, in the next clip, they look completely different. Different face, different hair, different energy. It's the reason AI-generated series have never felt believable. Soul ID fixes this. It locks your AI character's identity across every single scene, every model, every generation. Same face, same presence, same person. This is huge for branded content. Imagine building an entire video series with the same AI presenter, without hiring anyone, without a camera, without a studio. Brands are using this right now for advertising campaigns at scale. If you want to learn how to set up Soul ID for your own content, comment Soul below. Here's one that's been going massively viral, and you've probably seen the results without knowing where they came from. Sora 2 Trends. Higgsfield's system analyzes short-form social videos at massive scale using GPT 4.1 and GPT 5 and identifies the exact patterns that make content go viral. Not opinions, not guesses, measurable patterns. Hook timing, shot rhythm, pacing, camera logic. The platform encodes roughly 10 new viral structures every single day, and older ones get retired as engagement drops. You give it one image and it generates a trend-matched video ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, automatically formatted, automatically paced. Videos generated through this system have shown a 150% increase in share velocity compared to standard AI video output. If you want to see exactly how to use Sora 2 Trends for your niche, comment Trends below. Now, let's talk about click to ad, because this one is almost unfair for marketers. You paste a product URL. That's it. Higgsfield's system reads the page, extracts the brand intent, identifies the key visual elements, maps it into one of its trending presets, and Sora 2 generates the video. No studio, no photographer, no ad agency, just a link and a finished video ad in 2 to 5 minutes. Over 20% of professional creators and enterprise teams on the platform adopted this feature within weeks of launch. Because when you can generate dozens of ad variations in an hour, testing becomes instant. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of click to ad, comment ad below. Let's go deeper because there's a feature almost nobody is talking about yet: Soul in Paint. Here's the problem it solves. You generate the perfect AI image, perfect lighting, perfect composition, exactly the mood you wanted. Except one thing's wrong. Wrong shoes, wrong background, wrong accessory. With any other tool, you regenerate the entire image and lose everything else. With Soul in Paint, you paint over just the part you want to change, type what you want instead, and the AI makes a surgical edit, keeping everything else identical. For product photography, for character design, for creating visual consistency across a campaign, this changes the workflow entirely. Comment in Paint if you want the full tutorial on this. Here's something that most people don't realize until they're deep into the platform. Higgsfield has a DaVinci Resolve plugin. If you're a professional editor, you don't have to leave your timeline. You can generate footage directly inside DaVinci, draw on a clip to edit it, and apply AI-generated LUTs to your scene, all without opening a browser. The integration between AI generation and professional editing workflows is something no other platform has built at this level. And on the audio side, Higgsfield Audio handles text-to-speech, voice swap, and even video translation. So if you're creating content for international audiences, that pipeline now exists inside one platform. Now, and here's the part nobody wants to talk about. This platform is not perfect. Let me be honest with you. The credit system is real. Depending on the model you use and the length of your generation, credits disappear fast. For serious production work, you need to budget carefully. The learning curve is genuine. Cinema Studio in particular rewards creators who understand cinematography concepts. If you're completely new to video production thinking, some of this will take time to click. Complex motion is still an industry-wide weakness. Fast action sequences, athletics, rapid physical interaction, these still produce artifacts that require multiple regeneration attempts. The platform is exceptional at controlled scenes, conversational setups, slow and cinematic movement. It is not yet the right tool for an action movie. And individual clips max out at 10 to 20 seconds depending on the model. Long-form content still needs assembly in a separate editing environment. So here's the full picture. 15 million creators, $1.3 billion valuation, 4 million videos generated every day, a platform that gives solo creators access to Sora 2, Google VO 3.1, Kling 3.0, and WAN 2.5 simultaneously, with professional camera control, character consistency, viral trend matching, and product advertising automation built in. The gap between what one person can produce alone and what used to require a full production team, that gap is closing faster than most people realize, and Higgsfield is one of the main reasons why. Which feature do you want to go deep on first? Drop it in the comments. Cinema, Soul, Trends, Ad, or In Paint, and the most requested one becomes the next video.